CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.7 Explain common methods for securing mobile and embedded devices. Mobile device security. When it comes to securing your mobile devices, the tools and techniques aren't that different from what we use for workstations. In fact, you'll probably recognize many of these best practices from our earlier discussion on workstation security. So let's jump in and start exploring the key security measures that apply to mobile devices and how they can help protect your data. A great starting point for our mobile device security discussion is the use of screen locks, which acts as a first line of defense against unauthorized access. Just like on a workstation, a screen lock ensures that your mobile device is protected when left unattended. Whether you choose facial recognition, fingerprint, pen codes, pattern, or swipe as your authentication method, each method offers varying levels of security. While options like facial recognition and fingerprint are more secure and convenient, methods like swipe offer very little protection and are best avoided for securing sensitive information. In addition to screen locks, mobile devices should be equipped with failed login attempt restrictions. This is a key feature that locks out a user after several incorrect password attempts, protecting against brute force attacks, where hackers repeatedly guess login credentials. Just like on a workstation, this simple but effective safeguard prevents unauthorized users from gaining access by sheer persistence. If your device is ever lost or stolen, locator applications can be a lifesaver. Features like Find My iPhone or Find My Device allow you to track the location of your mobile device, giving you a chance to recover it quickly. These tools provide peace of mind by helping you locate your mobile device in real time, whether it's misplaced or taken. But what if recovery isn't possible? That's where Remote Wipe comes in. With this feature, you can remotely erase all the data on your lost or stolen device. This ensures that even if the hardware is gone, your sensitive data remains safe, inaccessible to whoever might have your device. It's a last resort measure, but one that's critical for protecting your personal or professional information. Speaking of data protection, device encryption is another essential layer of security. Just like on workstations, encrypting your mobile device ensures that all data stored on it is unreadable without the proper credentials. If your device falls into the wrong hands, encryption guarantees that even with physical access, the data remains secure and protected. Now, you might recall the acronym FDE, which typically stands for Full Disk Encryption. This is common on workstations, but on mobile devices, it's often referred to as Full Device Encryption. This means that the entire contents of your mobile device, whether it's apps, contacts, or personal files, are fully encrypted, safeguarding everything from unauthorized access. Next, we have backups. Backing up your data is just as important for mobile devices as it is for workstations. Remote backup applications such as iCloud or Google Drive allow you to store your mobile device data securely in the cloud. In the event of data loss, having these backups ensures that your important files, photos, and contacts can be easily restored, giving you an extra safety net. Of course, mobile devices are also vulnerable to malware, which is why antivirus or anti-malware software is critical. Just like on a workstation, these tools help detect and block malicious apps before they can cause harm. Installing a reliable antivirus solution is essential, especially if you download apps from third-party sources. Some mobile devices also support firewalls, which can be a helpful tool for monitoring and controlling network traffic. A firewall can alert you when an unapproved app tries to communicate with the internet, adding another layer of security to prevent unauthorized data transfers or breaches. Finally, keeping your device's software up to date is key. OS updates are crucial for patching vulnerabilities and protecting against known exploits. Just like with workstations, regularly updating your mobile device ensures that it has the latest security enhancements, making it much harder for attackers to exploit weaknesses in outdated software. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.